friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, today we will discuss share full video about driver and the YouTube star Ken Block died in a snowmobile accident. Before starting the video, if you come the first time on my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Driver and the YouTube star Ken Block die in the snowmobile accident. Professionally rally driver Ken Block drive a frog during a new conference at 2012 Los Angeles Auto Shows in the Los Angeles, California, November 28, 2012. June 2, pro rally driver Ken Block, who later became an internet sensation with his driving strength behind the wheel, died aged 55 years and the snowmobile accident his term. Honginga Racing said on Monday, it with our desperate regrets that we can confirm that Ken Block passed away in a snowmobile accident